Hello friends, welcome back to my English channel. Thank you for your valuable support. I am really happy to know that you have a faith in my channel. As you know that the purpose of my channel is to tell you about how to speak English fluently. Friends, today I am going to give you some information about simple present tense because simple present tense is very important to speak English because simple present tense is described our daily activities. Simple present tense is very much important in our daily routine activities. It also describes about the festival that comes every year. We can use simple present tense to describe our likes or dislikes. Suppose I like this, I like that, I don't like this, I don't like that, whatever. Simple present tense is also used for universal truths, scientific principles, and it also describes our habits. We can use it to describe live games also, and we can use it to describe play also. So friends, today I will give you some example about simple present tense. I get up early in the morning, I brush my teeth. He drinks milk every morning. I read newspaper every day. I go to library sometimes. The moon is round. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. These are the examples to describe about simple present tense. Friends, I hope you will understand my point of view about simple present tense. I will come again in my channel for another video. Have a great day. Goodbye.